When we think of our most precious moments and the adventures we capture in our memories, one thing is preserved above all else: beauty. Color is within the essence of human life. The colors we use and the colors we associate are emotional and physical triumphs which define us. We use color to convey the strength of our ideas, the depth of our emotional connection to each other, and the power of our faith in our worldly pursuits and passions each and every day. Imagine one day if the colors in our life were to fade. What would we be left with? The world is bathed in a kaleidoscopic rainbow of energy that paints our landscape with dynamic aesthetic precision. If we are to have faith in a power beyond our own, it is nature's ability to create beauty through its infinite palette of color. That's why the legacy of Toyo Ink is so important in the prosperity and proliferation of color across the world. The history of Toyo Ink goes back to 1896, when Kamataro Kobayashi opened a private shop in Tokyo. Toyo Ink Manufacturing Company Limited from 2011 has changed its company structure to holding structure, where now there are three main central operating companies under Toyo Ink SC Holdings: Toyo Ink, Toyo Chem and Toyo Color. After 120 years of building relationships, Toyo Ink has grown into a $2.5 billion company with approximately 10,000 employees and more than 80 companies operating worldwide. Our research and development locations are evenly spread so that we may continue to innovate and invigorate the world of color. One of our most progressive and fantastic achievements in the life of Toyo Ink Group has been our relationship with India after becoming the market leader in China. In 2006, Toyo Ink started a joint venture with Technova. In 2008, after a successful trial run, Greater Noida became the home of Toyo Ink's first factory in India, called as the Delhi plant. In 2009, Inkjet ink production was started at the Delhi plant. From 2009, Toyo Ink started servicing flexible packing market by the import sales of gravure inks and received fabulous response from our customers. In 2012, Toyo Ink expanded its operations in the Delhi plant to include the gravure ink factory, bolstering production by 1,800 tons per annum. In 2013, Toyo Ink executed their vision of backward integration by forming a joint venture for pigments with Hubac. This year, Toyo Ink India also started plastic coloring business, that is, sale of color master batches OEM done in Hubac plant. In 2014, with all these successful relationships in place, our sheet-fed offset inks business continued its tremendous growth and were running short of capacity, resulting in Toyo Ink's second state-of-the-art large-scale manufacturing factory in Dahej, called as the Gujarat plant, with an enormous additional capacity of 10,000 tons per annum. 2015 and 2016 was an evolution period for us as we commenced production in the newly expanded gravure and inkjet ink production facility in the Delhi plant. Also, we commenced our newly constructed polymer factory in the Gujarat plant. Now, with its supreme infrastructure of 12,000 tons of offset ink and 6,000 tons of liquid ink, Toyo Ink India is all set for the second launch in India to create history in its next decade. Today, color management is integral to consistent quality prints. That's why Toyo Ink India technical team has perfected workflow automation, ink optimization, ink curves, dot compensation and consistent output. With the growing demand in the packaging sector, Toyo Ink India offers a plethora of color matching Pantone inks. There are 3 matching centers across India: Mumbai, Delhi and Chennai, which together provide both conventional and UV Pantone inks. The Pantone range covers light fastness, low VOC and low migration food grade inks. Together, as a global company, Toyo Ink is leading the way into the future of color. Toyo Inc. India leads the industry in world-class products, high-quality testing equipment and solutions. With the Six Sigma prepped process control system, Toyo Inc. India offers you high-quality products with 24/7 technical service. This corporate identity is how Toyo Inc. India has leveraged itself high above the rest of the competition. Looking towards the future, exceptional colors and artful finishing will become more and more important. Only Toyo Inc. India is equipped to meet these challenges and champion them. We, Toyo Inc. Group, would like to be a company creating new value for human culture throughout the world. We are here to serve you. We are here to color your future.
Namaste. Our vision is to be a part of growing India by contributing new values to its prospering culture and lifestyle through supplying safe products of supreme quality created by our latest technology. Toyo Inc. strongly believes in value addition and is always willing to serve our customers to enhance their business, resulting in a strong and everlasting bond. Following the footsteps of our parent company, we here in India too would sincerely continue to work with our customers to provide ultimate solution with consistent quality. I request your continued support and trust in Toyo Inc. India. Dhanyawad.